Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man, and you guessed it, it's time to make some soap. So what I'll be doing today is, I'm just going to call it lemonade cocktail. If you've noticed the past few weeks, I've been using my tall skinny mold and doing 2 videos a week because the tall skinny mold doesn't give me enough bars of soap, so I've been doing 2 per week. And with what we're doing today, I'll have about 100 bars of soap. This will be the last one for a while using that mold. I'll go back to using my regular slab mold and just doing once a week videos. But last week I did peach prosecco, so what I'm doing today is going to be kind of along the same lines, but it's going to be lemon. So I'm going to put on the base, just once again we'll use Brambleberry's green chrome oxide. The yellow is going to be a favorite yellow of mine. They're fizzy lemonade. Titanium dioxide for the white. On the green bottom, I'm going to put a layer of shimmer gold. I used hydrated chrome green last week and it worked out okay, but it almost ended up being a disaster. So I'm not going to do that again. The fragrance is a custom blend. Well, it's simple. It's just a combination 50-50 of Brambleberry's electric lemonade cocktail and lemon verbena Yankee type. So the two together really smell really nice. One of them discolors a little bit. The other accelerates a little bit. So this kind of hopefully neutralizes some of their bad characteristics. Although the last time I used it, it still accelerated, so I'm going to be a little careful. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to call this lemonade cocktail. So as usual, we'll get a very, very light basic emulsification. And I'm soaping at about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. I will get this into 4 containers, approximately equal. And I will scrape this out because I'm finished with it. And I'm going to work on the base, which will be this one. So I'm going to set these 3 out of the way for safekeeping. The bottom is going to be the chrome green oxide. I'll stir this in to get it started. And since I'm going to want this to set up quickly, I'm not going to be too terribly concerned about stick blending it. I'll even stick blend it with the fragrance a little bit. quarter of the fragrance in. Give it a quick hit. And that is definitely good. So let's pour this beautiful green into here. Definitely setting up on me with the extra stick blending and the fragrance. But even so, it is too thin to do anything with right at the moment. So guess what? I'll be right back. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our gold layer on. I decided not to texture this and decided just to leave it flat. So let's get our accent colors. So this is our titanium dioxide. It's already pre-mixed in oil. And this will be our yellow. And this will be our green. Fragrance in here. Let's get this into the mold. first layer of white I'm going to carefully pour over the spatula just to get it on that bottom so I don't have a repeat of what I had with the last one. And then I feel pretty confident now. I'll go ahead and add the hanger. I'm going to try to cover the top with the white. And notice I said try. And then get a stripe of yellow. And a stripe of green. And I'm going to leave it alone. So let's get some rubbing alcohol on this to prevent soda ash, because it's definitely thick enough right now. And I'll come back in about 5 minutes, spray it again, put it to bed, and I should see you all the next day for the cut. You all have a great rest of your week. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all later. Bye. And as usual, 12 hours later, we're back to cut our soap, which went through a nice hot gel because it's slick and shiny and popped right out of the mold. Pretty happy with it. So let's take a look at the inside. That was the end piece, and even on the end piece you can see the mica line. Yeah, very nice. I wanted a little more yellow in it because, you know, technically lemonade, but whatever. It smells good, it looks good, and it's going to do a good job cleaning it, and that's the main thing. And there we go. So, folks, I will see you hopefully next Saturday for another batch. I'll be using my slab mold. I'll be putting this one away for a little while, but I have about 100 bars, and I'm pretty daggone happy with this, despite the fact it needs a little more yellow to go with the lemonade theme. Whatever. It still looks good. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves, and I'll hopefully see you next week. Bye.